All right, welcome back to part 4 of solving systems of equation. This is actually part 2 of the substitution method. And so I want to pick up where I left off in that last video. 15x plus a negative 14x plus 105 equals 115. So my goal is get x all by itself. I'm going to combine like terms. 15 plus a negative 14 gives me 1x. Right? And everything else I just rewrite. I want to get x by itself, so I got to turn that 105 into 0. So I subtract 105 from both sides of the equal sign. 105 minus 105 is 0. I'm left with that invisible 1x. It's all by itself. Equals 115 minus 105. What you do to one side, you have to do the other side of the equal sign. 115 minus 105 leaves me with x equals 10. Woo, that was a lot of work. Oh boy, that was a lot of work. But now we have a value for 10 in this substitution method. And so now you're going to choose either of the original equations. You're going to choose 2x minus 5y equals 15, or you're going to choose 3x minus 7y equals 23. And so what we'll do is once you choose either of these equations that we started with, right? These are the original equations we started with. You're going to substitute 10 for x and then solve for y. Substitute the value of 10 for x and then you solve for y. Which one did I choose? I chose the 2x minus 5y equals 15. So I chose the top equation, and I'm going to substitute for x. I'm going to substitute that value of 10. Then I will solve for y. And I'm showing you that right here. 2 times x, or 2 times 10, minus 5y equals 15. Now I'm just going to slowly go through and solve for y, following the order of operations. Okay, so 2 times 10 is 20. And I'm just going to rewrite plus a negative 5y equals 15. All right, now I want to get y all by itself. So that means I have to get rid of the 20 and I have to get rid of that negative 5. I got to turn 20 into 0 and turn negative 5 into that invisible positive 1. And then y will be all by itself, right? So what's the opposite of a positive 20? Negative 20, or subtracting 20. But what you do to one side of the equal sign, you have to do to the other side as well. So that 20 minus 20 becomes 0. 15 plus a negative 20 is negative 5. I'm left with a negative 5y equals negative 5, like you see here. I want to turn that negative 5 into an invisible positive 1. So I do the opposite of multiplying 5 times y. And I'm going to divide a negative 5 to both sides of the equal sign. What I do to the left side, I got to do to the right side. Negative divided by a negative is a positive. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Negative divided by negative is a positive. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Get my tongue out of the way. So you can see here the negative 5 turned into a positive invisible 1. Y equals positive 1. Now, we know x equals 10 and y equals positive 1, but guess what? Not done. In the system of equations, you must check both x and y values by substituting into both of the original equations. So similar, I'll take the time right now because we got a little bit of extra time. So similar to what we did with the value of 10, right? We also have to substitute the value of y. And y is what? Y is 1, we just discovered. So I'd substitute 10 for x and 1 for y. So I'd substitute 1 here. Right, now I got to check my answer. 20 minus 5 equals 15. Does 15 equal 15? Yes, that checks out. but I'm not done. I still have to check both x and y values in the other equation. So stick with me. I'm going to create a few more videos to do just that and to show you the simplest way, the easiest way to find the answer A, B, C, D, E, or E in the system of equations. It's the last video. It's the easiest way to do this and find the correct answers. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step. Hey, if these videos are helping you, please like, follow, and share these videos. Please help me to continue helping you and others by donating your gifts, your stars. Thank you. Thank you for joining me.